Construction of a long-discussed new home for the St. Joseph Animal Shelter could begin next spring as project officials, near the finish line on final designs for the facility.
News Press Now's Cameron Montemayor has that story.
A timeline for construction of the long-awaited new animal shelter in St. Joseph is coming into focus, with city officials confirming goals to bid out work for construction for the new shelter by November or December at the latest. City and shelter officials, along with architect Ellison Oxshire, are currently in the final stage of designing the facility, according to interim city manager Clint Thompson.
And so you're looking potentially at the availability of a spring construction. As far as the timeline for completion, yet to be determined based on the contractor selected, but it would be estimated hopefully a 12-month project.
St. Joseph's new animal shelter is being constructed with an additional 5,000 square feet of space, moving from the 8,000 square foot facility at Southwest Lower Lake Road to an area here by the recycling center on the South Bell Highway. One of the last design decisions being finalized before bidding can begin is whether a vet clinic could be included within the $5 million budget, or if it will have to be bid out separately as an alternative project.
The vet clinic is a priority and a focus of the city and the Friends of the Shelter. We want to make sure that there is an opportunity if we're not able to accomplish everything within that $5 million, either the city has that opportunity to consider a future phase or a different way to look at how do we accomplish the total goal.
The city has allocated $3.4 million for construction, with the nonprofit Friends of the Animal Shelter contributing $1.6 million to the project. With the city now on the doorstep of selecting a contractor, St. Joseph Animal Control Manager Holly Bowie says the move puts the new animal shelter all the more closer to becoming a reality.
The animal housing is going to facilitate a better environment for our dogs and cats. They're going to have more room to roam, and we'll have some efficiency with our cleaning, especially when we're housing dogs.
Bowie said thousands of additional square feet of space and changes in the layout with the new shelter will not only boost the mobility and health of animals long term, but provide a fully functional facility that benefits staff and the community.
We've added so many rooms that we currently don't have that are going to make us so much more efficient and give the community a place to go and interact with the animals.
One notable improvement will see the single rooms currently used to house dogs upgraded to doubles at the new shelter, meaning dogs won't have to be moved between cages when resting or using the restroom. Cameron Montemayor, News Press Now.
City officials said the current facility will eventually be put on the market once the new building is constructed.